They both have a great musicality with good sound signature to each of their sound signature with good musical sound and really good sound reproduction with good soundscape and scales and dynamics that can offer from this size of a compact towers. It really shows the sound quality in this price point. It really comes down to your taste and which one you prefer. I can easily recommend it to anyone who is after this kind of a price point and this size of the speakers, because these are considered compact size towers. So these can be used in smaller places, it can be used in medium sized places, and it can totally give you great sound quality without spending a lot of money. Probably all you need is to add a subwoofer and you will be in audio nirvana. So great sounding, good musical speaker. They both of each own, and I can totally easily recommend it to anyone. Highly recommend it. Thank you for watching and happy listening.
There must have been an angel by my side, something heavenly led me to you. Look at the sky.